Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel My Little Paradise. So today's video is going to be on the second transplanting of my chrysanthemum cuttings. If you have remembered or seen my previous videos, I took a cutting 1 month back and planted it in small pots. It was the first transplanting video. If you have not checked, you can go and check it out. These are those plants and they have grown pretty well. So it's time for the second transplanting. First, let's check out the inorganic soil mix. So here I have coco peat 20%, vermicompost or farmyard manure 30%. This will add organic matter to our garden soil. And garden soil 50%. 1 week after planting, we will be adding our fertilizer SSP, urea and MOP directly to the soil. The recommended dose per plant is shown in the screen. Next comes organic soil mix. For organic soil mix, I have 20% coco peat, 5% bone meal, 5% neem cake, 20% vermicompost or FYM, and 50% garden soil. We will be mixing this mixture well. The vermicompost, neem cake and bone meal will gradually decompose within few weeks and it will release some nutrient and supply some nutrient to the plant. After 1 to 2 weeks, we will gradually feed it organic manure constantly every week. That I will share in my next video. As the inorganic soil mix contains vermicompost which needs to be decomposed, we will wait 2 to 3 weeks for it to be decomposed and then apply the inorganic fertilizer directly to the soil. For many years, me and my dad is growing chrysanthemum and both the soil mix works well. If you love organic cultivation, go for the organic soil mix. But if it is okay to apply SSP, urea, MOP and other inorganic fertilizer, go for it. And here we have a small chip over the drainage hole, some amount of sand or coco peat to cover the chip and then pour soil in the pot. So here we have, this is the inorganic one and this is the organic one. These are the same plants which I planted in my previous videos. They have grown pretty well. You can see its root growth. The full pot is covered with root and hence obvious now it needs a bigger pot. So let's plant it. As I told you, I will keep it aside for next 2 weeks and let the vermicompost decompose. After 2 weeks, I will apply chemical fertilizer to it. It is not recommended to add chemical fertilizer directly with organic manures because chemical fertilizer decreases the soil pH to acidic and it will kill the microbes, and as a result of which the organic manure will not decompose. Coming to the organic soil mix, after 2 weeks, we will start feeding it every week. So here is the end result. Don't forget to water your plant as soon as you pot it. My next video will be on how to make your chrysanthemum huge and bushy and what to feed it. If you found my video helpful, please like the video and comment down below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. Till then, take care. Bye bye.